After installing the 1-inch wheel spacers, they can move the wheels farther away from the suspension. This enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, the Prado performance tends to get more stable, and handling usually improves too. The tire's lateral grip also improves. With these Prado wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the whole experience on your ride. In addition, BONOSS wheel spacers are forged from 6061T 607075T6 aluminum alloy material with high-strength tensile and yield properties. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. BONOSS FT Cooling Prado wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Prado wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, if you want to get the wheel spacer for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. That's for Chen. Have a great day!